Welcome to Chapter 2, the Smart Object Sorting System with EDU and Teachable Machine. In this chapter, we'll build a smart object sorting system that uses AI to detect different objects and move a servo motor automatically. Before we start, prepare your EDU board, USB power and data cable, and a servo motor. All of these are included in your EDU kit set. Now, connect your servo motor to the top right corner of your EDU board. Use line 1 to connect. Orange wire to signal, red to positive, and brown to negative. Plug in the USB power and data cable to your computer and EDU, then power it on. Next, download the Teachable Machine project model from this tutorial page. Open it on the Teachable Machine website, train the model, export it, and copy the model link once uploaded. Go to the Teachable Microbit website and paste your model link in the box. Your model will load automatically. You can now test it by showing your objects. You should see the class names below the camera feed. Now, click the code from the tutorial, then download and run it. After that, connect Bluetooth by clicking the top right icon on the Teachable Microbit page, select your device name and click Pair. You've successfully connected EDU with Teachable Machine. Now, if the camera detects recobit, the servo turns to 180 degrees and the green LED lights up. If it detects Maker Pi, the servo moves to 90 degrees. If no object is detected, the servo resets to 0 degrees and the red LED turns on. Now you can train new models, edit the code, and create your own AI projects with EDU. For more details, step-by-step instructions, and downloadable code, visit the full tutorial at citron.io.